VTS Batangas, VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. How do you read me? Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Port Control Batangas. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Over.
VTS Batangas, this change to channel 1-2. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your ETA? Over.
VTS Batangas, my ETA is 0800 hour local time at 30 October 2023. Over.
MV Precision, what is your call sign? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your drop and type of cargo?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My draft is 1.2.3 meters and my type of cargo is iron ore. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, how many persons are you on board? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. We are 30 person on board. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, what is your last call, port control and gross tonnage? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My last port of call is Nauhan and my gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, what is your port of destination? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My port of destination is at Batangas Port Terminal. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, do you carry any dangerous cargo on board? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Yes, I carry dangerous cargo on board. 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass buoy Charlie Foxtrot 5 on channel 14. Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. I will call when I pass buoy Charlie Foxtrot 5 on channel 14. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, standby on channel 14. Over and out.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. We will stand by at channel 14. Over and out.